Happy Valentine's Day! We are celebrating with this cheerful Cupid ready to launch an arrow. He only needs 6 colors. Let's start with the largest part of the drawing, the background. Find number 6. Number 6 is yellow. We'll use this sunny color for the entire background. This simple, bright color really makes our Cupid stand out and sets a happy mood. Time for Cupid himself. Find number 2 for peach. We'll use a light peach shade for his body and little wings. Spell Cupid with me. C-U-P-I-D. Cupid. Next, let's give him his famous hairstyle. Find number 4 for his hair. We are using a cheerful brown for his curls. Now, the final body details. Number 3 is for his eyes and small nose. Only 2 colors left for his bow and arrow. Find number 5 for brown. We need brown for his bow and arrow to make them look like wood. Color the strings and grip carefully. Last color. Find number 1 for red. This is the most important part, the heart. Use red for the heart on the arrow. Perfect! Amazing work! Our sweet Valentine's Day Cupid is finished. He's ready to spread some love. We found all 6 numbers and colors. Happy Valentine's Day and see you next time.